What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Fun in the South. I'm Paul. This is my wife, Jill. And for today's adventure, we ventured into Pigeon Forge, and we decided to give this, it's the newest, I think. Well, it's the newest in Pigeon Forge.
That we know of.
Mountain coaster. It's called Rocky Top Mountain Coaster, right? Mm-hmm. And anyways, we went there. It was pretty cool, and we want to share that adventure with you. We'd like to invite you to join us. Are you ready? All right, here we go.
I found out long ago. It's a long way down the holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday road. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Take a ride on the West Coast.
Now, this roller coaster is over by Dollywood. It's on. Is this Veterans? It's Veterans Boulevard. It's on Veterans Boulevard. Right before you get to Dollywood, if you're coming from like downtown Pigeon Forge. There's a coupon book. They have coupons for this. It's called the Red Book. What it is?
The Red Book, the best red guide.
Best Red Guide. That's what it is.
And there's actually all kinds of them. You stop at Walmart and get you a bunch.
Yeah. Let's see what we got going here. This is the queue line. This one, it really wasn't that busy when we came here, which was great. Standard rules apply. Use brakes, don't crash. Basically, right? Mm-hmm. Let me think. There was something I was going to say, but I don't remember what it was. Got it? I had only been on one other mountain coaster before this one, which was the
Goats on the Roof.
Goats on the Roof, yeah. And that's a really short roller coaster, I thought. I mean, at the time I didn't realize it, but after riding this one, I was like, man, I felt like we got gypped.
They said this was like a mile long, right?
Yeah, a mile long. The ride itself is like 9 minutes. So we figured we'd show you the whole ride. Because why not? Like this part you see right here, you can see from the road, right? Like when you drive by. I didn't have any idea that this went literally up the rest of the whole mountain, basically. You know? Yeah,
it goes really far back.
It does.
Were you thinking, oh crap, what's gonna happen if a bear comes up on me? You can't go anywhere. I think you're stuck in that thing. I don't think you can unclip.
No, I don't think you can either. I mean, that
was my thought.
If a bear came, that would really suck. But I mean, I don't know. I thought it was pretty cool. It's a lot of this stuff, you know, getting up and then you go, and then you get up and then you go. But what's kind of cool about it is there's lots of views. Like, you know, looking all around is really cool. Mm-hmm. And the other thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a link to the video of just the coaster without us talking about it. So if you're interested in watching that, it'll be on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description to that. As you can see, I mean, you're already pretty high up here. Yeah. Some of the audio I had to mute it out because I have music blaring through the whole thing, and I want to get a copyright issue with YouTube. Where the sound goes away, that's where they're playing music. I think it was just basically like the radio, whatever.
Hey, this is where you need to learn how to play the banjo. Because you could be playing the banjo while we're
live
commentating.
Live. Didn't they say out front that they do this at night or something?
Yeah.
What did that say?
I don't know, but I think all this stuff is lit up.
Oh. Yeah, because you see the lights around this ring right here, and I mean they took a long. I remember when they were building this, it took a long time. I used to drive by and think, crap, what's so hard about putting some tracks up there? But once you see how involved it is, there's a lot.
Hey, Joey.
Also, when you ride this, it stops like it did just right there. Because I think what it does is it spaces you out from the car in front of you, you know? And I didn't even use my brakes at all on this coaster.
Ooh,
I know.
I
was afraid. I was like, oh man, I don't want to freaking fly off the track or something, but I guess they would.
That's what they have those, like that fencing right there, that's to catch you.
Is that what that is? So that's not to catch like stuff that falls out of your pockets, right? That's to actually stop your body from impaling itself on the ground.
Yeah.
Right on.
How fast do you think you were going?
At the fastest time? Like right here, I think I'm doing half a mile an hour.
Oh yeah, this part. But this is, even though it's going really slow, it's really a cool ride up.
It is. I mean, very peaceful.
Did your ears start popping?
No. Did yours?
Mine didn't either.
I don't know. I guess probably the fastest, if I had to guess, I'd say like 30, probably. But the thing is, it's not like it's a big straightaway. It's lots of like, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And I don't know about your cart, but mine was like, I could hear it like banging. You know, like banging on the sides when I go around the turns because I wasn't using my brake.
I was just kind of prying.
Yeah, and then you keep seeing these signs like, you know, don't bump people, or whatever. We're tired of hiding the bodies. Did you see that sign? Something, I don't know.
I didn't.
Like, oh crap. So this was a fast part. I like this part. Really cool. Very cool. The other thing too, did you notice that there's like little stories along the way? Mm. Like, yeah. I think this sign said the bears pee in the woods or something. And as you read, as you go up, it says something about that. And European bears in that little dead thing right there. Lots of interesting reading material along the way. So this isn't just a roller coaster, it's also a learning experience as you go. I don't know where that road goes, but we should definitely see if we can't dig it up. Find it.
I don't think it goes anywhere.
Go somewhere. Bear pee in the woods. European bear. Did you hear that cable thing like scraping on the ground?
Mm-mm.
I heard that. That made me a little nervous.
And asleep. I missed half the stuff you did. I think you're going into another dimension.
Oh yeah. Twilight Zone. Sucked you in. It's tractor beam. I want to say, like, see that cable over there on the right hand side? Mm-hmm. There was some spots where it was like dangling onto the ground and like scraping. And you could hear it and I was like, crap. Okay. So when you get to this, I think you're at the top. So you have like little rides, more of this, little rides, more of this, and then this right here, you're at the top. And this was a pretty good run after this turn coming up. But I was actually pretty impressed because I didn't expect this ride to be as long as it is. I really didn't.
Same.
But maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever. But if I'd have known this, I would have brought a picnic lunch probably. Definitely something to drink. Yeah, look at all the lights. I bet this is awesome tonight. We should go back and do this one night.
To the top. Push your handles forward and we'll see you at the bottom.
There you go. This is when I got the all clear to go. Yeah. Start getting moving right about here. I don't know, to be honest.
probably didn't have your thing all the way forward.
I did. I didn't use the brakes that one time. All the way forward. This turn made me a little bit dizzy though, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Slow. You know what though? I don't feel like that really does, the video doesn't do it justice. I feel like you're going faster than what that looks like. For me, I feel like I was really moving a couple times. Did you have a favorite part of the track? Not really.
I like it all.
So there's a car going down that road. I'm telling you, that road goes somewhere. I gotta find it. I think this lady, I looked over and she was messing with her seatbelt. I don't know if it wasn't on all the way or something, but I was like, oh crap, that sucks for her. Glad I'm in front of her. Behind her. There's your body rail. from flinging. I didn't get the shaving brushes. You'll soon see them on a shelf. The museum. I don't get that. You? This part I was kind of like, I knew we were getting back to where we started because of that fake mountain thing right there. I know when you come in to the place, you see the tunnel through there. I think we should maybe start hitting all these and see which one's the best. You want to? Okay. This part was fast. I think this is the fastest part of the whole ride. We were moving. I was moving.
My stomach's going whoop.
Yeah. There you go. End of the line, boys. Yeah. How's that mask working? Oh, there you are. That's you. Coming in hot.
Oh yeah. Probably.
Okay, so yeah, when you get out, of course, you go into the gift shop. There's a spot on here that takes your
It
photo.
smelled so good in there too. I don't know what that was, but it was yummy. And then of course you can buy yourself a picture.
Souvenir portrait. There's you. Yeah, look at the t-shirts and the usual stuff: t-shirts, hats, stickers, whatever. I don't know. The people that were here were really friendly. Yeah. This was like a hat shirt combo bin. This was kind of cool. How far is that?
The track itself is almost a mile long.
Almost a mile. I didn't know it went up that far.
I know, I didn't either.
It goes way up there.
Yep, it goes back far away.
Did you have fun, Jill?
I did.
It was good.
I actually could have sat on that thing all day.
Yeah.
Going up. The going up part.
Did you use your brakes at all?
No. Did you?
No. There you go. That's the Rocky... What is it? Rocky Top Mountain Coaster.
Yeah.
So it was fun. Anyways, we're glad we were able to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, that was a good time.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
It didn't last long enough. It was so fun.
No. I mean, the video, is obviously 9 minutes, whatever, but there's other stuff to do. Like, they have a little picnic area with, like, a viewing thing where you can watch people come down, and it's a cool place, especially, like, if you have a family or whatever.
You should definitely go back at night.
Definitely.
With all those lights.
I would like that, and I would also like to start hitting a lot of the coasters around here and see which one, I don't know, I don't want to say one's going to necessarily be better than the other, but which one's fastest, which one's whatever, So, anyways, that's going to do it for this episode of Fun in the South, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, do us a favor, and take a second and hit that subscribe button. And see you guys next time on Fun in the South. Bye.
Bye.